If you are a beginner in English language and you want to improve your communication skills fast, then this video is for you. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu, and today in this video, I want to share with you something really crucial. So today I want to talk about that recently I have created 7 days session, a complete course for beginners who are learning English and they speak a little bit English. But this course is going to be the crucial one in your English learning journey. And the best part of this course is that this is free of cost. You do not have to pay a single penny for that. It is just for 7 days video, key points that you are going to learn in this course. So the first one is that from the basic to professional English you are going to learn in this course. You will know how to remove hesitation while speaking English. You will learn how to overcome the fear of speaking English. And in this course, you learn how to build confidence and speak fluent English without stucking, without fumbling. In this course, you will also learn how to present yourself effectively and how to crack interviews. What are some important questions that you need to speak when you are going to meet your friends, your family, whoever you are going to meet, how to leave good, impressive impact. So many things you are going to learn in this course. You are going to learn how to speak well and impressive effectively in daily life. And you are going to master all the fields, especially for daily life. You will learn so many things. You will be able to master the daily sentences and will never ever stuck while using daily sentences in English. From tomorrow onwards, the first video of this 7 days English speaking course is going to be published on this channel. So make sure if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, hit the subscribe button right away and give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment. What do you think about this course and if you are going to watch, join or not. Although you do not have to pay anything, but it is quite effective and impressive and very much useful if you are a beginner in English language. And I'm sure you will love it. It will be really helpful for you guys. So if you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.